In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out the Amazon Affiliate Program forms to become an Amazon Associate, a partnership program where you can earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. We'll walk through each step, ensuring we're well equipped to set everything up smoothly. First, let's talk about creating an account. Head over to the Amazon Associates homepage. Look for the Sign Up button and click on it to start the process. If you already have an existing Amazon account, you can use those credentials to log in. Otherwise, you'll need to create a new account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. Remember, a strong password is key to keeping your account safe, so include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you're in, you'll need to provide some information about your website or app. This is important because Amazon needs to know where you'll be promoting their products. You'll be asked to enter the URL of your primary website or app. Make sure the site or mobile app is fully operational and adheres to Amazon's policies. If you have multiple sites or apps, you can add those as well, but start with the one that you plan to focus on. The next step is to describe your content. Amazon wants to understand how you plan to drive traffic and attract customers. You'll need to clarify what your website or app is about. This could be anything from a review site to a blog about a hobby you're passionate about. Consider what products align well with your content and how you plan to promote them. Be honest and clear in your explanation, as this will ensure Amazon approves your application without any hitches. Once you've covered the content description, it's time to set up your profile. This step allows you to input information about your site's visitors. Amazon will ask questions related to the content topics you cover and how you generate traffic. It's also an opportunity to choose your preferred storefront ID, which is like a username that identifies your affiliate profile. Now let's move on to entering your payment and tax details. To receive payments, you'll need to provide either your bank account details for direct deposit or opt for another available payment method if direct deposit isn't suitable for you. For tax information, be ready with your tax ID or social security number as necessary because Amazon will need this to comply with tax reporting obligations. Finally, after providing all the necessary information, review everything to ensure it's correct. Then, submit your application. Amazon will review your submission, and you should receive notification of your acceptance status soon after. Remember, patience is key during this waiting period. That's it. You've completed the steps to join the Amazon Affiliate Program. With this setup, you're all set to begin earning commissions by promoting products that align with your audience's interests. Thank you for following along, and good luck with your new venture as an Amazon associate.